Eh? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the back, just to be safe.
You ever wonder why there's a bank out here? Well, I think it's supposed to be like more of a vault, you know? Oh, that makes sense.
Freeze! Don't move! Oi, you. You're free to go. Not really, but you've got a package. Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful, haven't we, Dave?
What? Yeah, of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job, and I don't want to lose my job.
See you around. Free to go. I thought that was pretty cool.
Whoa,
As the mayor, I hereby declare the Tunisian archaeological exhibit open. Yes, thank you. Yes.
whoa. We got a breach headed towards the medieval section.
Roger that. We're preparing to engage. Over.
And after that, they just up and arrested him.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, that's when I decided I should probably get a different job. I figured night guarding is much less dangerous than driving a... Crap.
No, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down!
Sir, place your hands where I can see them. If you do not comply, I will be forced to fire upon you. You leave me no choice, sir.
Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man.
Hey, how do you want me to bring you in?
Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think?
Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go, I'll hold him off. Come on, then.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Whoa. Hurry up now. Activate the doors. No, get away.
Now I've got you.
Help.
You've defeated my right-hand man. You've defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us. We'll get you to life back.
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall.
I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it?
Henry!
Hello, Henry. Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here. And now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin.
You're going to be here for a long time.
Grigori, take him.
You wait here until cell found. Alright, let's go. Have a good time.
Yes, hello. Henry? Where are you? In the complex? Called the Wall? Oh, yes, of course, sir. We'll be right there.
Sit tight. I'll let you know when we're close. Where exactly are you? Cafeteria? Okay, got the map here. Yes, there you are. Alright. How do you want to do this?
Come on, Henry, we have to go. Get to the airship. You can use this to get there.
That was a close one, Henry. But I'm not going to pull you up. See, without you, I become the leader of the Tuppet clan again. I just wanted to look you in the eyes as I took it all back. Goodbye.
Hey, easy. You were gone for a bit. I was able to bring you back to life. I specialize in military-grade augmentations. I was forced to replace spine and left arm, as some of damage you sustained was beyond repairing. You had run in with Tuppet clan, I've encountered them before. Easy, you're still healing. They went south, if you are wondering. About 10 hours ago. Wow, you're learning so quickly. Good luck.
I'm thinking once we arrive, we should be able to... Henry! Take him out, right-hand man!
Time for a little pain. Time to finish you off.
no, we're losing altitude. I gotta get out of here. No, what are you going to do? So that's it then. You're just gonna leave me here to go down with the ship? Looks like we'll be sharing this last ride together. Well, you got us. Was it worth it?